Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete all of your photos from Google Photos. So let's start. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Now long press on the first photo and then swipe down your finger like this, and your screen will keep scrolling down, and on the way down all of your pictures will be selected, and it may take a few minutes to select all of your pictures. Then you have to tap on the trash can icon on top right corner, and your photos will be moved to trash. Now tap on Library on bottom right corner, and then tap on Trash. Now just like before, select all the pictures and tap on Delete on bottom left corner, and then tap on Delete Permanently. And that's how you can delete all of your photos from Google Photos. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.